Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be achieving this makeup look. This is something I wear every day. It never really switches up. It's just mascara, a lip balm, and a nice highlight. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. So initially I was a little nervous showing my true skin on camera because I do suffer from acne and it's left me with a lot of scarring, but I'd rather be genuine, open, and honest on this channel, and I like to keep it real recognize real. So this is my skin, this is what I'm working with right now. It's a work in progress. It'll get better. First step is to moisturize. My favorite is the Glossier Cherry Balm.com. I'm lying. My favorite is the birthday cake one. To conceal, I love Fenty Beauty's matchsticks. I have several of them, and this is the concealer in Caramel. Just trying to hide a lot of my scarring and like dark marks. I swear I thought they were getting lighter, getting better, but I don't know, maybe on camera, I don't know. Whatever, we're gonna conceal those bad boys up anyway. And one thing that I love about Fenty Beauty, first of all, I love how the whole aesthetic of her makeup line is really dope. I love how everything like kind of clicks together, they're magnets. But about this product specifically, I just feel like it blends really well into the skin and it looks really nice on skin. It doesn't look like too powdery or like too matte. It just really looks nice on skin. So I definitely give it up to Fenty Beauty. Like, it's really a really nice line despite a lot of the hype around it. I mean, there's good reason for the hype. The next step is my favorite concealer of all time. I know I was just talking about the Fenty one, but this is my favorite Glossier product and probably a product I will never live without. It's the Glossier Stretch Concealer. My shade is in Deep, and I like to put that under my eyes because just to brighten it up a bit, and plus like my skin is a little dry under there. My favorite Holy Grail product, like in the universe, is the Nars Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, and my shade is Cuba. I like this product because not only does it have an efficient amount of sunscreen, but it's just really blendable. There's tons of shades, it's buildable, so even when I have like really bad scarring or like I'm having a really rough week with my skin, I feel like this still kind of holds me down. And plus, I don't really like to use too much foundation. I just kind of like to let my skin breathe, even if I do have imperfections, you know? Like, at the end of the day, I don't like to be like a mask, like I'm just wearing like a full mask, unless like, you know, I'm taking pictures or I'm going out. Tinted moisturizer suits me just well, even if I have scarring. It is what it is. People gotta deal with it. So we're just gonna quickly blend that out. And this product blends seamlessly, I'm telling you guys, seamlessly. For powder, one of my favorites is the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in transparent. It's just one of those things that are always in my bag, and you know, you can never go wrong with the Rimmel Stay Matte. You do stay matte. The only thing I hate about it is the packaging, but that's because when I throw things in my bag, they tend to get destroyed anyway. I don't even know how, so. My favorite step, highlighter. Oh, I go ham on this highlighter. This is the Super Shock Cheek from ColourPop, which is the K-pop collab with Kush. Glow up. It's just gorgeous, like bronzy gold color that I can't live without. I've honestly like stocked up on so many just because I know it's limited edition, so I can definitely always have that glow. My favorite part though, and don't knock me if I put on a lot. I mean, the highlighter is my favorite step. I just feel like it just is so pretty. And is there really ever like too much highlighter? I mean, come on now. As long as you're putting on one area of your face, is it really considered too much of anything? I don't know. Let's debate. And as everybody knows, ColourPop works better either with a brush or with your finger. Me, I always use my finger. I use my finger for everything, as you can tell, except for powder. So I love my fingers. It's like one of the best tools. Next step is mascara. I'm currently using the Milk Kush mascara. I've been loving it since I purchased it. I do have a review on it on my channel as well. You guys can check that out. It just does a lot without doing too much. So I really like it. And plus it has Kush in it, so it's not even, we don't even need to elaborate on that. Final step is the lip color. I have, I think, 4 lip colors from Glossier. The one I reached for today is the lip color Crush, which is like this very pinky, like fruit punch kind of color. And I like it. It just complements everybody's skin tone, complements what you're wearing. It's just really nice, and you can just keep layering and layering it to build up the boldness. And that's it. That is my everyday look. It's usually just lashes and a nice bright color lip, and that's my everyday. Take care guys, thank you for watching.